Hi everyone, I have had some impulse issues just recently, so I have been on more than one spending spree, so I thought I'd show you all the bits and pieces I've got. This is my parcel from Enchanted Enchanted Sparkle Craft Supplies, when I can get my words out today. So I thought I would show you all the bits and pieces that I have got, because I've got lots and lots to show you. So I love how cute her packaging is as well, so I'll show you my ribbon first. This is 3-inch ribbon, and I do have a hot gem applicator, so I could put these on myself. I just haven't got the patience to sit there, so I've got this in all the 3-inch in all the different colours. So I've got pink, purple, white, lilac and hot pink, so I'm really looking forward to using that. I'm going to do some layered like boutiques and bits and pieces like that. I just really like the idea of sparkle without me having to put it on myself. So I've got all of those in all the colours that are available. Can't just have one colour, can we? And then, this is my other favourite, and this was my other one for ribbon. I love Halloween. I absolutely love Halloween. So, they've got double-sided Halloween ribbon. So you've got spiders on one side, and then on the other side, you've got this Halloween purple and orange tartan. So you don't have to like layer the ribbon, you can use it just by itself. So I absolutely love that. So I've got a couple of other ones as well. So there's some autumny ones. So this one's more autumn with the leaves and the like tartan this side. Then we've got little ghosts with the waves, well, like geometric kind of print that side. We've got scary pumpkins this side and black, well, like Halloween-y dots there. You've got like the different colours of the dots. And then like this Halloween, this is more of an American one. It's like got the candy corns and whatnot, and the lollipops with the pumpkins. But I like this side. I really like this side for the pumpkins with the little faces. So cute. So I'm looking forward to using all of them, even though I don't normally do a lot of 1-inch ribbon. It's inspired me to make some, so I want to do that. And then I also got these resins to match. And again, I don't often use resins, mainly I like to hoard things. I have a serious hoarding issue when it comes to my embellishments. So here's Nicola's little card, Enchanted Sparkle Craft Supplies. And these are the embellishments I got. Look how cute they are. So I've got these adorable little Batgirls, so I've got 4 of them. I got 4 of these super cute, it might be 4 or 3, I can't remember. 4 of the cute witches, like the good witch kind of thing. And 3 of the spooky goth girls. So just get it away from the shine. So there's the spooky goth girl. There's the super cute like good witch. And there is the adorable little Batgirl. So I've got all of those, like I said, feeling very Halloween-y, very inspired. So I'm going to put them all together with the Halloween ribbon, so I don't misplace them, because I want to do something with those together. And then I was still feeling Halloween-y. And these bats were too cute to miss up. And I'll show you my age now, because I really like these, because, like I said, my age for definite. They reminded me from Batty from Fern Gully. Now, obviously, I'm not going to make a bow for that, but I just thought they were really cute and just a little different take on the Halloween, like because they were like more silvery, shiny than like the black bats that you see. So I thought they were really cute, so I got those as well. And then, just so you know as well, the reason I'm showing you all my stuff from Enchanted Sparkles today is because Nicola's actually running a month of deals. So there is tons and tons of deals. There's Christmas vouchers, there's dinosaurs like these, there's holographics, there's freebies, and she's running a different deal each day for this month. So if you do want to buy something from her, now is the time to do it while she's got all these amazing deals on. But I've got these super cute, look at these holographic dinos. Again, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them, but it will be something. I'll have to wait until I've decided on the perfect bow for them. And then I got more resin girls, but these again were so cute. And they're all packaged so they don't get damaged as well. So I got 4 of these fairy girls. And then I got 4 of these alternative fairy girls. So how cute are those? I think they were about 25p each. So not a bad price either. So I got those. Those are quite big ones as well in comparison to the other ones. And then I'll show you the last embellishments. And I was feeling a touch Christmassy, so I wanted to see what these were like. So I've got some of these, which are like the resin clips, but they've already got the clips. So I got 2 tartan and 2 of the gingerbread ones, and these are basically ready to sell if you wanted to. It's entirely up to you, or you could embellishment them a little bit further and sell them on that way. But like I said, they're super adorable as well, and there's lots and lots of different versions that you can get. And then I brought some fabric. So I brought some leatherettes. So look how pretty this fall design is. Look at that. And then I've got some sparkles. Look at this. This is the Mermaid Under the Sea holograph. Well, the Under the Sea is basically turtles and fairies. So there you go, if you can see. And then I've got this really pretty as you saw, it fits with those girls I've got, because it's got the bat and the Good Witch on this one. So that's super pretty. So I'm going to use that for a bow. And then I've got this amazing holographic animal print, which is the zebra stripe, obviously. And then I've got the same version in the leopard print. So pretty. And then I've got this, which I thought might go well with my silver bats. But again, it's another holographic one. So nice. I was feeling a bit summery, so I got this tropical girl print. And then I got this one, which is a navy one, and as you can see, it's got the similar designs to the other ones. It's got just a few more characters. And then I've got the slightly lighter blue version of it, and the pinky version in the alternative direction. And then you just saw the glitter version of this. This is the leatherette version, which is a bigger print across this way. Now I've got some really big dies. I've just brought some new 5-inch dies, so this is going to be absolutely perfect to show all of that stunning print off. So that's my Enchanted Sparkle Craft Supply order. Like I said, I'll put the link in the description below, so do go and take advantage of all those deals this month, because there is some really good ones and you'll get some great bargains. Thanks for watching. Bye.